Okay, now in this situation we have our different categories of product. We have our totals, and we also have our cost of goods. So in essence, all these reps here for longboards brought in this amount, all right? But the longboards cost us this much, all right? So we're going to create a graph that shows this as a bar and this as a line, and we'll see in those situations where the line point for that particular category, if it's below the peak of what this is, then we know we made money. If it's above it, then we know we lost money. All right? So let's take a look at this. Well, so we're going to go ahead first of all, and we'll go ahead and select our categories, and then we'll go over here, we'll hold on the control key, and we'll select these two over here. All right, so now we'll go back into insert. We'll go back into our column area here. We're definitely going to go with the two-dimensional because we're going to be changing the graphic of one of the bar graphics to a line, so we have to go two-dimensional on that. So we'll click onto that, and then we'll pull this down. And we'll go ahead and make that a little bit wider. There we go. Okay, so there it is. Now, we're going to take the cost. Now, the costs are going to be the orange bar here. So we'll click on that orange bar. We'll go back into design. We'll go to the change chart type. And on the cost, we're going to change that from a cluster to a line, just like that. We'll go ahead and hit OK. There it goes. So I think what we can do too is make the bars a little bit wider, like we've done before. So I'll just double click that, any one of the bars, change the gap width about half. There we go on that. So maybe we can go back in and put the legend at the top. So we'll just go back to here, go to our legend, and tell it we want that at the top. And then the title, we'll go ahead and click on the title, go up on the formula bar, do our equal, click the title at the top there, enter, go back to home, maybe make it a little bit bigger, make it bold, and there we go. So it's a simple graph, but what we're looking at here is seeing that maybe other than maybe for the short boards, it looks like we had, and maybe also the kite boards, it looks like we definitely made money on most of the product categories. All right, so hopefully you can use this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.